How to create TEMU account. So if you want to create a TEMU account, then first check your internet connection and then make sure to install TEMU application. Once you've installed, you can tap and open up your TEMU application. Once you've opened, now here on the bottom right, you will have sign in option. Tap on sign in, which is on the bottom right. And from here, you can create your account. So you can continue with your Google, or you can enter your email or phone number to create your account. So simply tap on continue with Google, and here choose your Google account that you would like to continue with. And that's it. Now you can simply go for you, which is on the bottom middle, and with the information of your Google account, it will automatically create your TEMU account. So this is the easiest way to create your TEMU account, or you can also use your email or phone number to create your account. But if you want it as a simple way or efficient and timeless way, then you can choose continue with Google and your account will be created. So that's how you create your TEMU account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.